Good morning, students. How are you all? Fit? Great. So kids, do you like chocolates? Yes, I also love chocolates. I have few chocolates here. Let's count how many chocolates I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 chocolates here. And I have to divide these 8 chocolates among Rohit and Mohit. And I have to distribute these chocolates between them equally. So what I will do? First I will give to Rohit, then Mohit, then again to Rohit, and again to Mohit. Then one for Rohit, one for Mohit, one more for Rohit, and one more for Mohit. So how many chocolates Rohit has? 4. And how many chocolates Mohit has? 4. It means I divided 8 chocolates between Rohit and Mohit equally. So basically in maths, what did I do? I divided 8 by 2. Now we know that 2 times 4 is equal to 8, right? So the answer we got is 4. It means each boy got 4 chocolates because I had 8 chocolates which I divided equally between 2 boys. But what if I have a bigger number to divide? If we have bigger number to divide, we will follow the long method of division. So today I will explain you how to divide a number by one digit number. Okay, if I take an example of, if I divide 39 by 3. We all know 10 times 3 is 30. But the 39 is bigger than 30. So we have to follow the long method. Now I explain you. 39 is dividend. So we will write dividend inside this. And 3 is divisor. So I will write divisor here. Now we have to count the table of 3 because we have to divide the number by 3. We have 3 as divisor. So first what we will do? We will write table of 3 in rough column. We will make a rough column on the right side. I have already written the table of 3. Okay? So now when we divide, we always start from the leftmost digit, that is 1. Just hide this 9. We are left with 3. So we will divide this 3 by this 3. So now see the table. Where is 3? 1 times 3 is 3. So what we will do? We will write 1 here. So 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So I will write 3 here. Now I will subtract these numbers. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Right? Now I am left with this digit. That is 9. Now I will write this 9 here. Now I have to divide 9 by 3. Again we will check our table where at what place the 9 comes in table of 3. So here we have 9. It means 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we need this block, right? 3 times 3 is equal to 9. We need 9 only. So we will write 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And then subtract it. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. And the answer we got after dividing a number is called quotient. So the answer will be, the quotient will be 13. And what is the remainder? Remainder, we are left with nothing. We are left with 0. It means we have remainder 0, right? I am giving you one more example. By this long method of division, we can divide 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number and so on. Okay. Now I am taking one example of 3-digit number. Suppose I have to divide 9035 by 9. So first thing what we'll have to do, we will have to write this dividend inside this and the divisor outside. Now we will start with the leftmost digit. But first we have to write the table in the rough column. Okay, we have to write the table of 9. So I have already written table of 9 here, as you can see. Now, the leftmost digit is 9. So by this table, we all know 1 times 9 is equal to 9. Now subtract it. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now I am left with this next digit 1. But now the problem is, can we divide this 1 by 9? No, because it is less than 9. So we need to copy the next digit also. But don't forget to write 0 in the quotient, because when we write a new digit and we are not able to divide and we need the next digit, so first we have to write a 0 in the quotient, then only we are allowed to take the next digit. In this case, which is the next digit? Yes, it is 3. So the now number becomes 13. Now check the table of 9. Where is 13? Do we have 13 in 19 table of 19? No. So if we do 2 times 9 is equal to 18. But the number is 13 and 13 is less than 18. So what we will do? We will take 1 times 9. So we will take 1 times 9. Now minus, we are left with 4. Now we are left with one more digit, that is 5. Now we will write 5 here and the number becomes 45. Now let's check whether we have 45 in the table of 9 or not. Check the table. 9, 9, 45. Right. So we have 45 here. It means 5 times 9 is equal to 45. And here we need 45 only. So we will write 5 times 9 is equal to 45. Right? Now subtract it. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So here we got our answer, that is quotient. Quotient is equal to 1015, that is 1015. And how much is remainder? Do we have left with anything? No, we are left with nothing, 0. So remainder will be 0, right? So this is the long method of division by which we can divide any number by a single digit number, okay? One digit number. In our next video, I will explain you the division by one digit number but with remainder. Here we are left with nothing, but in our next video we will learn the division with remainder.